Bridget Bartlett with Vision Marketing and Design, and I'm super excited to show you this template that I made for the 7-day trial for Truvision Health. So first of all, what I've created here is a landing page with a lead magnet. So what you want to do is you want to capture the emails yourself before your prospect even knows that it's Truvision. I have put the logo up here just for aesthetic reasons. But you want to capture this email so that you can follow up with them. You can know that they've come to, actually clicked on your link to view your information. You also eventually want to set up an email autoresponder so that as soon as they enter this information, you have set up an email campaign to send to them. What I do is basically just send them testimonials after they've entered their information here. I have set up an email autoresponder, and every day I will send them a testimonial and an image, and then the opportunity to get a sample. With this one that I've set up here, I realize you don't know how to do that yet. So I have created a system to where they will enter their information here, and then it will email you a request for info. And then that way you have their contact info and you know that they've gotten past this point so that you can follow up. So I'm going to show you how to customize this so that you can start right away capturing those leads. So I'm going to go back to the edited form. And then to change this image here, you're going to just left click to highlight the box. And then you're going to right click and then just choose change image. You're going to click upload, and then you're going to choose any of the images that you want. And then once you've chosen that, it'll show up here and load, and then you'll just click the box to select it, except I'm going to undo that so it doesn't change the image. And then you're going to hit confirm. Once you've done that, your image will be here in this box. Now to change the box, to capture your lead info and make sure it goes to your email, you're going to highlight the box and you're going to left click. You're going to right click and do configure. You're going to click edit. And then you're going to put your email address here. I've put in the subject box right now, request for info. You're welcome to change that to whatever you want. Just make sure that you know when you see this subject line that it is someone who's gotten this part and has put in their information. So that way you can follow up with them. So after you've entered your email and then whatever subject line you want, you can hit confirm. And then it'll say success if you actually do it. And then now we've gotten this set up to go to you. So what you want to do now is go to the next page. It's called sample. Okay, and what I've done here is I've set up just, we know that with something like weight loss supplements, they don't care about really anything. They just care about the results. That's what's going to sell it. So I've set this up to highlight the results of using the product. So I have some videos here, this carousel that scrolls through. You can see before and afters, some more testimonials. I know a common problem here is they don't really know what the weight loss combo is, what they need to order. So I've tried to make that very clear here. True Fix plus True Control equals weight loss combo. And then I've put part 1 is True Fix, and then a video. They can click on here and a little window will pop up to show the ingredients. I know that's a common question. And then part 2, True Control, and then the video, and then same here, the ingredients will pop up and show, everything that's in the product. And then it gives them just one sample. So it makes it very clear what the 7-day trial is. Now, when you get to this point, you can highlight, so you can see the little boxes around here, little circles. That means that this box is highlighted. So when you left click and highlight that box, you're going to right click and then you're going to go to action. Once you go to action, you're going to see this box will pop up and you'll choose web address. From there, you want to put your trial link and then you just want to hit OK. Then you'll save and then hit save again. Okay, So now this website is completely customized to you. So what you want to do is, after you've gotten out of this, it says that, you'll go back to your list of all of your websites. Now you're going to choose the one, it's not going to be published, so it's probably going to look like this. You're going to choose the one that you did, and then you're going to hit publish. So you can publish this and then hit OK. And now what you're going to want to do is connect a domain. You can purchase a domain at Bluehost or GoDaddy, or if you already have a domain, whatever you've purchased your domain through, you're going to want to change the name servers. There is a video in the tutorials of how to do that. If you're struggling, please let me know. I can help you out. After you've published this, you're going to want to connect your domain by clicking the 3 dots here and then do connect domain. Now this little box will pop up here. You'll want to put in your domain. I'm just going to use a sample one here, and then you'll hit save. After you've hit save, this little box will pop up here and it'll show you the name servers that you want to change that to. So you're going to go to Bluehost or whatever, you're going to go to where it says name servers, and then you're going to want to change the first one to this and then the second one to this. As long as you have these here that I'm highlighting, as long as you have this information, if you go to your domain host and you contact them, they can change this for you. If you need help, just contact tech support. And then you'll just hit, okay, let me connect the domain. Now it will take up to 48 hours, like it says here, 1 hour to 48 hours, because it has to propagate, it has to go through the whole internet process. And then at that point, your template will be connected to that domain. That is really, really helpful. It saves you a lot of time because you can still prospect your client, you can still talk to people online, but you have a way. You can just say, go to my website at getmyhealthfix.com, which is what my domain is, and then they can go there, they can enter their info, and then they can see the product. Now that's really important, because if they bounce away and start Googling or maybe want to order on Amazon, before they have the opportunity to do that, you've gotten their information so that you can start retargeting them, you can follow up with them, you can make contact with them and see if they have any questions in a system. So I hope you found some value in this. I hope this has helped you out. I'm gonna get out of here. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me anytime at consulting@Vision Marketing and Design, and I can help you. Also, Builderall is really great with their tech support. You can always put in a ticket here on the left-hand side. That'll help you a lot. They're very good about walking you through the process and fixing things for you if you're struggling. I hope you have a good day.